What to do if earphone not connecting in your mobile phone? Yes, you are listening right. Many times it can be happened with you that your earphone is not connecting with your mobile phone. If you have new purchased, that can be happened, and if you have given your earphone to anyone and after that you are not able to connect with your mobile phone. So first of all, what we can try, first of all we have to fully charge this device. As you can check out this one, this case should be fully charged and earphone should be fully charged, and after that remove this and add it to your ear, and after that you will hear a sound that the device is switched on and in connecting mode. After that you have to go to the Bluetooth section of your mobile phone. One second, what happened? Bluetooth section of your mobile phone, and over there long press, and after that go to settings and click on this search button. It will start showing you the earphone. You can press and connect to that device. If even though it's not working, many time you will see that there is a switch on button on the device. You can switch on from there, and but if you see a touch button or anything like this, you have to switch on your earphone. Even though you are not able to connect, this trick will work 100%. I'm sure that you have to press and hold this button until it say now switched on pairing mode or in connecting mode or in pairing mode, anything like this you will hear in your earphone. And after that you have to click on this refresh button and connect this device with your mobile phone. So that's the way you can easily connect your mobile phone with earphone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share this video because it can help many people. Share and subscribe for get more videos like this.